What's the deal, YouTube? Welcome back to another video and welcome back to the channel. This is your boy Hemi Life. Thank you guys for tuning in once again. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. In today's video, we're gonna be tackling the Charger once again, and hopefully I want to finish up the interior in today's video, taking out the old dash, putting on the new dash, installing all the new airbags and the seat belts. So yeah, without talking too much, let's go ahead, cue the intro, let me update you guys, and then let's begin. Here we go. Alright, so to update you guys really quickly, sorry if it's bright, it is freaking sunny as shit, you guys can't even see that, okay. But last couple of videos, I tore the vehicle down, I started assembling some of the things, still having hood to bumper and hood to fenders, fender gaps, so I need, like, for example, here's touch-in, where here is a nice big old gap, and here as well. I'm not really a good body guy, so I need somebody to help me out, and I'm just waiting on that opportunity. But today is a very beautiful day, so I'm gonna go ahead. Also, if you haven't checked out the video before this, the new wheels are installed. Today's video though, however, we're gonna start finishing up the interior. I got a lot of things over here disassembled. The radio's out, the bezel's out, the driver airbag's out. So we're gonna go ahead, hopefully try to remove the dash, remove the seats so I can change out the seat belts, and remove the buckles because these are locked as well. So yeah, hopefully, like I showed you guys in the previous video, I do have a new dash, new steering wheel airbag and clock spring, all the other airbags and seat belts right there. I still don't have the buckles, I still need those, but other than that, that should be it for the interior, besides the cracked and broken windshield. So I mean, let's just go ahead, start tackling some things. I want to get the seats out of the way first so I can have more space, so let's go ahead and do that. Here we go. Alright guys, so while the birds fight in the background, as you guys saw in that little long ass clip, seats are removed. I was having trouble with this passenger seat with this one bolt. I don't know why. Chrysler is just retarded. They use this eTorx and a lot of it's chewed up and I couldn't get a good grip on it, so I had to hammer my freaking socket on there. So most likely gonna have to replace this this bolt. But as you can tell right here, there's the seat, there's the glove box, the other seat, steering wheel, and center console over there. Removed the center console, just started taking a whole bunch of things apart here. Like I said, glove box is out, radio, bezel, clusters out, steering wheel's out, and the whole assembly type thing. I believe this unit has to come out for the climate controls, and I think that controls the radio as well. But I think that's about it. After that, I mean, probably won't be a bad idea to go ahead and disconnect or remove the airbag, this passenger airbag. It just mounts from the bottom, so should probably do that before taking off the dash. But then other than that, gotta remove the A-pillars on both sides, and then should just be all bolts, bolt, 2 bolts over somewhere over there. They're just all bolts and screws. So yeah, let's just keep going. There you go.
Through the highways till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon turn us to thousands, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on
so camera cut off right before I pulled off the dash. There's the GoPro. I used up both batteries today and it died right before I pulled out the dash. Passenger airbag's out. That was kind of holding me back. And then a lot of the HVAC plumbing was holding me back as well. I removed the one off of this side, the one off of the passenger side, and then kind of just worked my way out. Finally pulled the dash. There it is with the nice big hole for the passenger airbag. So yeah, this one is out and done. I gotta figure out how to help to remove this ignition node because I'm pushing it and I'm pulling it. It won't come out. I'll figure it out. But yeah, rip. I already transferred this main plumbing onto the new one, and then I just gotta basically work my way backwards, put this back in, assemble everything, and yeah, I still gotta do the seat belts. I gotta remove this, gotta figure out how to remove this B-pillar. And then there's gonna be a couple wiring. This wire for the passenger airbag was good, it didn't melt. The other wire, however, which is this one, did melt. And what's so annoying is I just repaired this wire. Like, this is fresh tape. I just repaired this wire the day before my accident. So that needs a new connector. Obviously when we reassemble the steering wheel, we'll put the new whatchamacallit. What else? I still gotta figure out how to get this knee blocker out. Might have to move this hands-free module. I got all my wiring for my freaking gauges just in the way. But that's Project Car Life, man. There's my wire. Oh, since this thing is out, might be a good idea. Actually, it doesn't really make a difference. I still gotta fish my hood release cable out because this one's toast. But yeah, I guess I'll just set up the camera somehow since the GoPro's dead. Either work on this tonight, finish putting it back together, or I might save it for the next weekend because today is Sunday and I'm only off on the weekends. Might save it. I'm kind of tired. What time is it? It's 6:41. It's an hour and a half and I break my fast. So I don't know, we'll see. I gotta think about a couple things, but I might just go ahead clean up because I got a lot of tools that are from work that I brought with me. Yeah, I might just clean up and then hopefully pick this back up next week. We'll see. You guys will know in about 2 seconds. I won't. Peace. Alright guys, so it is the next week. I ended up waiting it out and it is currently Friday night. Sorry about the no light. It is freaking almost 2 a.m. now. It is 1:52. I've been on it for a little bit now, just doing some work off camera. I got the seat belts replaced. These are the new ones. They work now on both sides, and put everything back together. I got the tubes, the HVAC plumbing tubes back into the dash, and right now what I'm currently doing, I got the floor duct out the way, I got the freaking shifter out the way, and I'm trying to get this ORC, excuse me, trying to get this ORC module out. Chrysler is freaking stupid as hell. It's right there. I can access it, but the bolts, let me show you guys the new one. If I remember where I put it. Shut up, Siri. This is the new one, right? So you got one nut right here and two nuts in the back. Chrysler, for some odd, stupid fucking reason, they put a sound deadening pad on top of it. And of course, the pad covers all three bolts. So that's why you gotta remove this whole area. And what they call for whenever replacing the module, they talk about remove this whole area and then cut the sound deadening pad to access the bolts. Like, they want me to cut the pad. But I mean, I got it up, out. I lifted it up. I can access one of the nuts right there, bolts, screws, whatever it turns out to be. But there's still 2 more in the back that I'm gonna have to fish my hand through over here and then cut the pad to access the bolts. So that's a little update for you guys, and I don't know, we'll see how far I get. Alright guys, so to update everybody, let me grab my light. Alright, to update everybody, that ORC module was the biggest pain in the ass. That's the hardest thing I've done on this car so far. It just, oh my god. I finally got it replaced. ORC module's done. Like I said, seat belts are done. I ended up doing the knee blocker airbag as well. That's the new one, the new used one that I got. The dash, I did take the dash out because, like I said, it wasn't tightened. I just set it on there, so I ended up taking it back out. I had more space and then just put it back on. It's in its spot right now. Tomorrow I'll make sure everything's good and then bolt it down. I still gotta bolt down the shifter back into place and put the duct back into place as well. And then honestly, I think that's about it. We can start putting everything back together. We can assemble this passenger airbag. We can put the glove box back in, the cluster, the steering wheel, all that good stuff. And then also my buddy did end up having a set of seat buckles, so we're going to pick those up tomorrow as well. Throw those on the seats, throw the seats back in. Obviously I'm going to give everything a nice vacuum and wipe down before. But that's it for right now. I'm tired as shit. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow in the morning.
Tomorrow. What we do here is go back, 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 back.
Alright, YouTube, so car's back in the garage and she's done. I did a couple things off camera. I'm not sure where the GoPro left off at last, but I'm pretty sure you guys saw glove box is in, center console is in, a lot of the center console, everything was in. I went ahead, put the new clock spring on, new airbag, steering wheel is back on. I refixed the wiring for my gauges over here, put the cover back on. The interior is 100% complete. Actually, I lied. It's 99.9% complete. I just need to get the connector. I got to get one connector for the passenger side and wire that in for the airbag. Other than that, clean this all up, vacuum it up, wipe everything down, put the seats back in, and she'll be 100% done for the interior. Yeah, we're getting there. Everything's moving nice and easy. So the next video will be just tackling the cooling system. Hopefully, I have a part that's supposed to be in, and we'll do that for the next video. But that is gonna be pretty much it. That's gonna be it for today's video. I am late. We were supposed to break our fast 10 minutes ago, so I'm late 10 minutes. I gotta go eat, but I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, make sure you guys go ahead and smash the like button, subscribe to the channel for more content coming here very soon. Like I said, on Instagram and Snapchat, make sure you guys go follow me. Links are in description. Once the car is back up and running and back on the road, I do got a lot of things planned, so make sure you guys go ahead, subscribe, turn on your post notification bell so you guys don't miss out on any future videos. This has been your boy Hemi Life. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.